Right all. So in 1945, as you no doubt know, it was VE Day, where we defeated the Germans who were fighting against communism and capitalism, and we decided to side with communism, and as a result, 3 years later after VE Day, the beginning of the cultural and ethnic transformation of Western Europe began in 1948, which is funny enough, 84 in reverse. Orwell knew what was coming, I believe, and that's why he put a black hand shaking a white hand. A lot of Africans come in here, don't realise it, but they're basically just useful idiots of the people who are running the show behind the government. There's a reason now everything George Orwell prophesied is coming true. Statues being torn down, and it's all about eradicating British history and culture to leave us with nothing but a globalised state. Now this is accelerating at the minute, and I've noticed in a lot of headlines recently where the government's been planning to put more asylum seekers and migrants into areas that sometimes double the population of a village. And don't for a second believe that they're going to actually do anything about immigration, because we've got immigrants running the country now, so it's only going to get worse. Don't believe for a second there's any plan to actually do anything. My theory is these people know that a certain procedure that took place in the last couple of years is designed to go wrong, and as a result the original goal back in 1948 to replace the population of this country is in full swing now and can accelerate. Now the most obvious question someone's going to ask is why? Why is this being done? I would say English people have been very good at standing up to tyrants over the centuries, Magna Carta being one example. On a side note, how many kids get taught about that? Another reason is because these people want a global world with no national identities anymore, that it's just a lot easier to control. And another one will be obviously destroy national identity, keeps everybody divided when nobody's going to look to them and see that all their problems are really coming from a small network of people